So I am an immigration lawyer and I have been for about 12 years, and that's really all I've done. And I started my practice in September 21, really just to, I guess, break the mold a little bit of immigration law firms, because what I was finding was I'd worked in everything from the largest immigration law firm in the world right down to, maybe some of the smallest immigration law firms in the world. And what I was finding was that sometimes the client experience wasn't really there, and people were only getting information for a very small part of the journey, as opposed to what could happen over the next sort of future, whatever was going to happen for them a little bit further down the track, rather than just dealing with one little part. So my passion really is about educating people to make good decisions, or make better decisions in their immigration journey. I think it would have been the emails, because in immigration law, in immigration law, what you're doing is consistently sending out similar types of emails and documents to people to get them to give you the information that you need. And instead of cutting and pasting something, which we all know is a little bit dangerous in the world of law land, having that email there that can be which would be created into an automated precedent, dumping in all the right information, is the sort of perfect first document to have, to be able to get that information out there and not have to cut and paste it or reformulate it every time you want to send an email. I think my favorite precedents, now that there's a whole bunch drafted, are the risk management packs. So the risk management packs were really created to help people that maybe are working in small practices or working in a very small team, where you need a second pair of eyes on a document, or maybe your manager's looking at a document, or you're taking an application, and you're taking that application to someone to be reviewed, or you're lodging something in a quick kind of time frame. The purpose of these really is to pick up silly mistakes. So generally in immigration, what will happen is people get very busy very quickly, and they have lots going on. And it's the little details that get missed that might cause a world of hurt later down the track. So I think the risk management packs is something I'm most proud of, to really put something out there where people can use it as a bit of a checklist for critical criteria that might lead to a bad decision later down the track. The precedents that I've created, or Passage Learning has created, are really just created for lawyers that are busy, or migration lawyers that are busy, that are doing all of the things in their practice. I've been everyone from essentially a paralegal role right through to a partner now, and owning my own law firm. So I've dealt with all the experiences in a firm that there are to deal with. So the purpose of the precedents are really coming from a place of trying to target everyone within a firm, and giving them the benefit of being able to essentially work with a partner, which is the precedent document, to be able to really create the best outcomes for their clients.